Okay, so my login is student 2 only now. So we got a column with that is, let's see, this is the column. Okay, just last trial, and I will go to another part also. Okay, so I'm going to C drive properties. So I'm going to disk cleanup, C drive cleanup first. Okay, so this is a disk cleanup. I'm selecting everything. So 18.5, 18.8 MB is there, including thumbnails and all. So click OK. So clean it. So maybe it is going to help us to clean everything. Okay. Then also I'm going to clean E drive also. E drive properties, clean up. Nothing is there. No temporary files and all. It's okay to clean up everything. Okay. Then I'm going to sign out. Again sign in. We'll try once more that EFS file, the encrypted file. I think today we are going to get raining. It's currently black screen, so we'll see. Yeah, finally I got it. Okay. Yeah, so I done a disk cleanup. Okay, so finally uh, we got. So if I add again, if I import that certificate again, okay, so I can open this file. So what happened, because of the temporary files are not get cleaned, that cache kind of stuff also. So I done a disk cleanup and sign out, sign in. Now it is working. So like that. So till you got output, you have to do what to do, all these things. Okay. Now I'm going to my finally sign out, and I'm going to my student one. Okay. Very good. Now we'll see how to share a folder or a file. Okay. Okay. So and how to access it. To access, we need a two machines, right? So we have a one virtual machine, one physical machine is also there. You can try with your physical machine also, like for accessing from physical machine, sharing from your virtual machines. But I'm going to use, for me I'm using two virtual machines for that one. So I'm using this virtual machine for accessing purpose. This is also connected to VMnet 0. Okay, just I start a machine, so we'll leave it. Okay, like this. Here we have to check the IP address of our main PC. So I didn't change the name of the computer also. It is okay for now. So for example, this is my PC1. For example, my first PC where we are doing this practice. This is my first PC, and my second PC is this one. So one second, I don't want this one. I'll go to another one. I'll try another one. This is also having Windows 10. So okay, no problem. We'll try. So for this is a second PC. Yeah, no, nothing, no differences. I have a two virtual machines. Both are 2 GB, 2 GB. If you don't have a two machines, no problem. You can use another PC as a your physical machine. But from my PC, my physical PC has a little bit problem. It will feel shy to open the sharing folders. Maybe because of home edition or some settings. Like so, we'll see how to share the folder. First of all, here we have to know what is the IP address of this machine and the user name, and next one is password of this machine. And I will show you different sharing things. Currently, I don't know the IP address. I will know and I will notify. So, so my account name is student one only. Password is given this password for my first PC. IP address, I will notify that. I will get that not IP address. You know that one, so right? Windows R. Why it is slow? ncpa.cpl. It's better. It is quite easy. Okay. I am putting a full screen mode. Just and double click on it to open directly. Details. This is my IP address 192.168.2.180 for my first PC. Okay, for my first PC. So I will note that one 192.168.2.180. This is my first PC. Okay. Now here I am going to create a directory. For example, data one as my directory. Anywhere I will create it. Okay, I will create anywhere, and I will share this one. I will keep some files inside. So I'll create a directory, and I'll create some files like a F1 or F2. So two files I will create. I will share it. Then we'll see the access from other PC. Like in a PC2. Okay. So go to run. In a run, we have to in run box we have to use slash slash. So 192.168.2.180. If you are not able to open it, so then it will ask for username and password. We can give. If in case it is not connecting, what to do? Troubleshoot like a pinging command and IP address, network connections and all. We'll see. So this is my network. Close it. Okay. This is my second PC. Okay, like this. So this is my first PC. So here I'm going to create in desktop is enough. Okay, otherwise you can create in a C drive, E drive, D drive. Okay, you can create it. So here I'm creating data 1. In this one I'm going to create three files. It is a file, it's like a f1. So I'm putting something here. This is f1 file. Save it. Otherwise you can put a from pc1. So this pc having some name, but don't go for that one. Okay, so then I'm going to create another file. One file is enough to test, but I'm creating two files. Okay, this is f2 file from pc1. Okay, so this is like a first pc, second pc. So like okay, it is showing share here. We can share it from here also, but don't do it. We'll follow the traditional sharing only. Always when you share it, go to that options only. So keep this one side. Guys, this is a data one. Right click, properties. I'm sharing. Right click, properties, sharing. This is a sharing tab. Okay, so this is a share, advanced sharing. So there's a two things are showing. Okay, and also when you right click on it, there it can also shows like a share option. Also, it will show give access specific people or share to these people like this. Also, it will come up. Okay, so but I'm going to always properties, sharing, and I don't choose this one. I will choose always advanced sharing only. So then you will get multiple options for that one. Share won't give you more options and that, but advanced sharing will give you options and we can share it. Advanced sharing, advanced sharing. Share this folder. Share this folder. If you want to keep this share name, you can keep it. If you want to add a comments, you can do it. This is simultaneously how many people can able to access this shared folder simultaneously. Like 20 by default. Now don't want. Now you want 100. 100 people can able to access this at a time. You can use it. No. I want to make only two people can able to access. You can change it. No, I want five people can able to change it. We can do it. Also, there is two more options are there. Permissions and cache. So I will go to cache first. Then I will go to permissions. Cache. What is this cache thing? You know, we are accessing the this shared file through network, right? If in case network is disconnected, the client is accessing data from this shared folder. The client or server is disconnected from the network. Network is disconnected. One. Second, maybe our PC is shut down. In these two scenarios, what happened? Client cannot access the data. Where is the data? PC1. From where I am accessing? PC2. If PC1 is disconnected or PC1 is shut down, I can't able to access the data. So this cache thing will help that time. You can make this one as a cached sharing. It means you can also access in offline. Means first time you are accessing when server is available. When PC1 is available, okay, it is giving lot of confusion. Okay, so I will explain again that one. So when PC1 is available, we are accessing shared file. When then PC is not available, the the shared files what you are access, it stores in PC2 in cache mode. So still you can able to access the data from cache only, not from the actual PC. Again, actual PC1 is back. Again, it will sync the data. Again, it will sync the data. Next one is permissions. To whom you want to give access? To everyone or a specific user? Like we can add a specific user to share that one also. Okay, so everyone you can give access, or a specific users we can access, but this is a Windows workstation PCs and all, so we are giving for everyone only. Okay, only read options or change options or full control you can give. What are the options you can give? Okay, next. I'm not doing anything, I'll do it again. This is a security. In generally, sometimes when you are accessing the data from different PC, it will block your access because of security. It enforces if anybody access the data from um, data in a system, right? It will try to restrict the access. If in case if that is occurs, then what you have to do? You have to go to edit, add everyone. Okay, add everyone, check names, everyone, click OK. Then everyone you can give full access. First time we are doing, so that we have to give full permission to access. Later you can apply the restrictions. Okay, I'm not doing anything. I will show you again what we are doing, because meanwhile I got some ting ting sound from here. Maybe someone are left or someone are joined. Slowly people are leaving. That's a power cut and all is there, right? This is, I want to tell one more time. This is a PC1, first PC, my first PC, PC1. Okay, and I'm going to PC2. This is my PC2. Okay, it means my second PC. Okay, here I shared a one folder. Okay, here I shared a one folder. Folder name is data1. Okay, you're accessing data1 from here. Okay, accessing data1. So, so what are the data it is there here? So you can access from another PC. So like you have to open the sharing of this one, you are accessing. For example, if network is disconnected, or maybe PC is down, or this PC is down, already you are accessing. So this, what are the data you are here, it stores in a cache mode. It stores here in a cache mode, in a mapping drives. Network drives are there, so we can keep it here in a cache mode. If you keep it in a cache mode, even if it is down or it is disconnected, you can still able to access the data. So that is called like cache sharing. So that concept came from the branch cache kind of stuff. Okay, so that is Windows 7, introduced in Windows 7, branch cache concept. And also I will tell you how to sharing this thing again. Once again, share, right click, properties, guys. Now see clearly, properties, sharing. Okay, sharing, advanced sharing, share this folder, share this folder, check this one, and go to the permissions, yellow, full control, everyone is there, full control, yellow, apply, okay, and I'm apply, okay. Now click OK. Automatically network path is showing here. Network path is showing here automatically. But I use advanced sharing on. Close. Now I shared. How do you know you shared? Two ways you can know it. Okay. Two ways you can know it. So I will show you that one. So how to access? Now accessing shared folder. Accessing shared folder. So this is my second PC. My second PC also in the same network. Okay. Same network. Physically both are connected same. Like you can see settings. This is also connected to VMnet 0. Okay, and also you can see um, run mm, ncpa. So you can check the IP address of this one also if you want. Okay, so easiest way is go to cmd, try to ping from here to there. I'm pinging to 192.168.2.180, my PC1 IP address. So that is pinging successful. So communication between my second PC to PC1 is there. Okay, communication is there. If you want, you can check this one. Now it is not required anyway. I will check the IP address later. I'm going to run again. Guys, can you able to see this run clearly? Here I have to give slash slash. This slash only we should use it. Double slash slash slash, not three slashes. You know, some people, oh, better we use triple slashes. Better not required, or better one slashes, or maybe better we should use two slashes. Don't get confused. These slashes only. These are a network slash. Okay, slash slash. 192.168.2.180. Already I told where the slash is located above the enter button. Slash slash 192.168.2.180. That is my PC1 IP address. I'm in PC2. You can see my background also. See this one. I'm in a PC2. I slash slash PC1 IP address. Click OK. Okay. Just try to open. It will ask for username and password. You have to give username and password. Username is student1. Password is Vedic@123. Now enter your credential to connect to 192.168.2.188. So student 1. Yeah, I have to give password now. Okay, okay. Vedic 123. Okay, then give. If you don't get it, so then you have to do little bit. So it is showing network. This one. Open it. So we have a files. Okay. So file one showing. This is the file one from PC1. Okay, if you want to add a more files, you can add it from PC2 also. I'm going to add one file from PC2. We'll verify from there. Already I told one of the troubleshooting thing. Okay, what is a troubleshooting part I showed? Okay, I saved it. Ping. So make sure that both are communicate each other by pinging. If pinging is not successful, then we have to troubleshoot again. Okay, now I'm in PC1. Now I got a F3 here in data 1. See, file is there. So we can able to keep the data. We can load the data from different location. This is the network sharing. Okay. So as I said, there is a few troubleshooting things are there. So when we are not able to share it or anything. Okay.
So can we use this type of sharing in between two physical machines?
Two physical machine, yes, because I can't show you two physical machine. I'm showing two virtual machines instead of that one. Yes, you can do with two physical machines, but both should be in a generally same LAN network.
Okay, sir.
Both should be. You can't share to me. I can't share it to you directly with the IP address.
Okay, okay.
But in companies, they have a different locations. Like a PC server is in New Jersey, so client is in India. Okay, server is in New Jersey, client is in India. How can they can share it? Because they have a leased line connections, VPN connections are there. So that's why they can able to share it. Like IP address from this LAN to this LAN is like a both are in same LAN only. So they can do it. Okay, because leased lines are VPN connections. So that one. We are in a internet broadband connections and all. So we have a different IP structure. Okay, like that. Otherwise, public to public communication is possible. Okay, guys. So first of all, important thing is here you have to take two pieces. Either both are virtual machine or one virtual one physical, or both physicals. No problem. But both should be connected to same network. So same some common network should be there, and IP should be also same network, same logical network IP address should be there. Second, make sure there are communicate each other using ping command. Okay, use the ping command to make sure both are communicating each other. Okay, so for example, this is my 2.180. Okay, this is something. So we'll see here CMD system is very slow. Then what? Yeah, how to check IP address? IP config, right? Why this system is very slow? Because of background services. I use this for a Docker configuration. 108. 108. My second PC is 2.108. So I'm giving last parts only. So what you do from PC1 ping to 190.168.2.180. One side your ping, sorry, 108. This is from PC1. Okay, little bit differences are. So 108. Okay, here from this one. So from PC2 ping to PC1 ping. What is that IP address? 192.168.2.180. Right? So you have to ping it. Anyways, the if ping is successful means everything is good in generally. Everything is good generally. If ping is not successful, from we are going with that one. Ping not success. Ping is not success. Then we have to check. First one is uh, firewalls. Also, you have to check it. Check the firewall, disabling the firewall temporarily, or change the firewall thing. So you have to check the firewall. Important thing is both should be in a same network, physically same network, logically same network. That is important. And another one is you have to check the firewall. So then try to succeed the ping. or in firewall also firewall rules are there. Modify the firewall rules or disable the firewall. Temporarily disable antivirus if antivirus is blocking. Okay, and another one, go to network and sharing center. Go to network and sharing center. Okay, so go to network and sharing center. What you have to do? So there is a advanced setting option is there. I will show you that one. No, don't worry. Okay, there we have to give file sharing, enable file sharing. Okay, so you have to check that yes, file sharing, yes for file and printer sharing, and yes, network discovery. So two things you have to do it. I will show you now. So this is my first PC. So I'm going to my adapter, right click this adapter, right click, open network and internet settings. Because it's a Windows 10, it will open settings page only, like this. It won't open a control panel, network and sharing center. Better to go to control panel, network and sharing center. It's always easy. But you have to habituate it to use this one. Slowly, they are reducing control panel things also. This is status. Uh, you can see network and sharing center here. This is Windows firewall, of course. I clicked on it. It should open. Okay, so here in the network and sharing center, go to change advanced settings. Change advanced sharing settings. Change advanced sharing settings. I'm going to that one. Okay, so make sure that in a profile, in a private profile, it is there, public profile is there, all networks also there. Turn on network discovery, turn on file and sharing, turn on file and printer sharing, turn on network discovery. The both should be on condition, not off condition. Okay, if it is off, put it in on. In public, also I am doing in a public. Okay, depends upon network profile. It is I turn on network discovery. All networks. This is for all networks. Turn on sharing any network access read and file public folder. Okay, so like this, turn on, save changes. Okay, so this is how can you turn this thing on. So this is the one thing. So like make sure that everything is turned on. Okay, so here I'm going to click on network. See, I done all these parts, right, but I'm going to click on network. So you see I'm getting a two desktop information here. One is self, another one is another desktop. I want to know my desktop name. What is my desktop name? NEN34B3. That's why you should change the desktop names also. NEN, this one. This is my first PC desktop name. Double click. It is asking for a username and password. First PC, right? Student one. Password is Vedic @123. It open automatically sharing information. Of course, some other things also shared, like a users kind of stuff. We don't mind about it. Public users are there. Public student one, like that. Currently open. This is so you can able to see the data. Because of, how can I get it? Because of network discovery. These names came directly when I click on network. These names came here directly because of network discovery. Okay, both sides it should be done now. So this is part 1 sharing. Sharing number 1. Next, I'm also showing another sharing troubleshooting. Also, I told I'm going to tell other sharing things. Two more things are there. No, three things are there. I'm going to create one more folder. The folder name is data 2, just for example, data 2. And also I'm keeping some files here. For example, e1. So one file is enough. Okay, e1 file from, okay, from pc1. Okay, so pc1. If you want, you can create more files, no problem. Okay, okay, so this is a data 2. Right click on data 2, properties. You know this one, right? Sharing. Already it is showing some sharing things. See, big path, network path. How it is? I didn't share it. I went to sharing one now. Advanced sharing. Share this folder. Data 2. What I'm going to do is I'm going to change the name. I'm changing the name to share 2. I'm changing name to share 2 instead of data 2. Data 2 is there. Instead of data 2, I'm putting share 2. I'm putting share 2. Simple. Just I name, I change the share name only. I didn't change the data 2 name. Permissions, full control, apply, okay, apply, okay, okay. Now it is, see, the name is went to normal size. Close it. Go to this one. Okay. Now can you see share 2? It's not showing as a data 2. It is showing share name only. Understand? I have a directory. I have a folder. I have a folder. I want to share the folder, right? And when client is accessing my folder, he should not see my actual name. He should see different name. For example, my folder name is um, uh, my folder name is yeah, Latif Data One. My folder name is Latif Data One. But I kept all the softwares inside. I kept all the softwares inside. When client is, means when our the user accessing my shared folder, he should get the name Latif Software. What I put? Latif Data 1. He should get Latif Software. Means actual folder name is different, sharing name is different. So here for a data 1, I keep both names are same. But here for a data 2, I keep different names. So I open this one, you can see E1, and also you can see what is the content of it. Okay, E1 file from PC1. So this is auto share. This is a sharing with the different names. Next, you can share with multiple names also. Means same directory, multiple files also. But I'm not going that one. So I'm going to data 3. So I'm creating one more folder. Name is data 3. In this one, what I do, I will copy these things. I'm copying, just copying only. Paste. Okay. So right click, properties, sharing, advanced sharing, share this folder, and I keep data 3 only. You can change the name also. Like if you want, you can change the name. If you want, you can change the name. Otherwise, you can keep like that only. I put a share 3 otherwise, and I put a dollar. See, I put a dollar after the share name. This is the share name. Okay, I put a dollar after share name. Permissions, full access, apply. Okay, so see the dollar, apply. Okay, like this. Okay. Hmm. Now I am going to second PC, C2. Refresh. Where it is? Where it is? Okay. Otherwise, I'll go again. Where it is? I can't able to see where is my share 3. Where it is gone? We'll get it. Slash share 3 dollar. Share 3 dollar. Okay. I put a share 3 dollar. Go for it. Yes. These are the my files. S1 Spanish movies and some image. Okay. I got it. Otherwise, I'll show you in different way. Like from run command, run slash slash 180, so 2.180 slash share 3 dollar. Okay, I can able to see share 3. If I go to normal, I can see data 1, share 2, but not share 3. If I want to see the share 3, compulsory I should share. For example, there is important data inside of the shared folder, right? So we are sharing to everyone, but a specific type of users only which they should use it. If user knows share name, then only he can able to access. If user don't know, if user don't know, uh, what we can say, if user don't know share name, he can't able to access. This type of sharing we call it as a This type of sharing we call it as a administrative sharing. This type of sharing we call it as a administrative sharing or a hidden sharing. It means if user knows the share name, then only he can able to open it. Otherwise, it won't display all the sharing on the direct screen. Though the dollar things won't show on the screen directly. So understand that one. Okay, this is a normal sharing. So second one is I created a data too, but I share it with a share name to share to. Share name is share to. Next, I created a data 3 and share name I changed to share 3 dollar. The dollar adding to a share name, any name. For this is a data one, right? So while I am sharing a data one, share name is data one only. Anyways, we can share it. Okay, but when I sharing a data to my share name is share to. So name is anything. Here I added a dollar. So this type of sharing we call as a administrative or administrative share, or we can say hidden share. Okay, so this is one type of sharing. Okay, next, this is a client. Okay, this client needed data. is storing the data, accessing the data every day is doing that one. So every time he has to go to run, or he has to go to this thing like file explorer, click on network and access the network thing. Okay, click on network and open the PC thing, or maybe go to run and try to access the sharing kind of stuff. Okay, so every day it is not good, right? Second one is, if in case if in case non IT people, non technical people, non IT people, for them is also very difficult. I have a non technical people also working. I shared a data, they also should access, right? So for them it is very difficult to go to IP addresses, accessing all kind of stuff. Okay, think like we are maintaining constant IP for our main machine. Okay, so for this machine here, what I'm going to do is, once I will go to that sharing, I will show for one folder like a data one. Right click on data one. Okay, right click on data one. I open a sharing 180 sharing only. Right click on data one. I'm going to map network drive. I'm going to map network drive. So I'm click on map network drive. See, automatically it is showing a drive letter like this. Starting with a Z, reverse order. You can see Z, Y, X, W, V like this. Normally our PC drives are C, D, E, F, G, H, but this one is starting with the Z, Y, X only. So reverse side. If you want, you can keep Z, or you can change it to Y, you can change it to X, your wish. I'm keeping Z. So what will happen? Reconnect at sign in. So when you sign into this PC, automatically it will reconnect it. If you have any different credentials, you can use it like this. This is the data. Okay, click finish. So what happened? It is open, but I'm going to this PC. What it is? Can you see this one? C drive, D drive, E drive, and Z drive. What is this Z drive? Z drive is your shared data, shared folder. Where it is shared? In first PC. In first PC, data one. This is a folder. This is a data. But second PC, it is a drive. Data one become a drive, like a C drive, E drive. It is a drive. Even it is showing some properties here. Okay, so you can keep a data here if you want. You can store some data. Like I copying my docker commands.com kind of stuff. Okay, so I copied this data here. Now this data is there. So like that, you can map the drive into the client PC. So then normal users no need to use IP addresses again, username, password kind of stuff. They don't need to worry. So they have a drive directly like a C drive, D drive. So they have a drive. They can open the drive. They can put the data. They can access the data from the drive also. So this is mapping network drive. Okay. So how to do it? So in a PC2, I done this thing in a PC2, right? So first I open sharing. So 192.168 2.180, that is sharing I open. So it is showing a data one. Just for example, only I showed one. You can do for other things also. Okay, in data one, what I done, right click, then I choose map network drive. Okay, so when I choose meta drive, a wizard is started. So I choose Z drive and then apply OK kind of stuff. I then OK apply. I didn't remember what option. Apply or OK completed. Next, I went to this PC. Then I found C drive and that is E drive, D drive. and we have find E drive and also found Z drive also. This Z drive showing like this data 1 because that is a shared name, right? Data 1 in bracket slash slash 192.168.2.180 and slash data 1 like that it is showing. So you see once again how it is showing like this. Okay, it is showing reverse side what I told. We'll change that one. So this is a Z drive like this it is showing. This PC it is showing C drive, D drive, E drive also it is showing this one. So understand how to map the drives next. Okay, now final one in a sharing. So I'm going to CMD from my first PC only. CMD. I'll show one command and also I will show in GUI mode also. I don't know what I shared from my PC. For example, these things are shared from here. Data 1, data 2, data 3. Data 2 name is different, data 3 name is different, share name is different. Directory name is this one. For example, if I share something from my E drive, okay, something I shared it from E drive. Here I created a folder and I will share it. For example, I'm going to data 4, okay, okay, I will keep one yeah, some file. It is properties, sharing, advanced sharing, share this folder, permissions, full control, apply, okay, share for any name, apply, okay, or close. Okay, so client accessing a sharing, but we don't know which folder it is, right? So how to know it? What are the folders or drives or anything shared from your PC, or maybe printer can be shared, right? What things are shared? What is its original location? What is the original location of that folders? So command is I'll put in a caps letter. You know to do in a caps because for visibility I put a cap letters. Net share. Command is net share. Can you see the thing? This is a something share 3 users student desktop name data 1 share 2 this is share name. This is the location where actual folder is located. Share for E drive data for users C drive users F drive F drive E drive C drive entire drive is also shared. Okay, you can other user can able to access that one. Okay, so what is the command I use in CMD?
Net share.
Net
Net
share.
share.
Net. So when you want, you put a net, just enter, it will show a lot of options. Net computer, net users, like that. Okay, so you can try that one also. Okay, another one is go to comp mgmt.msc. Comp mgmt.msc. Comp mgmt.msc. What is it? What is disk mgmt.msc? Disk management. This is computer management. Computer management in the run. So where to do this one? This is run. Com by com mgmt.msc. You can use small letters also, no problem. Comp mgmt.msc. Okay. So it will open. Meanwhile, I will go to once again run command in mgmt mscs. First in a run cmds. Okay, so we use few things. First of all, I stored ncpa dot cpl. One is that is a run command. Of course, cmd is also one of the thing. Okay, ncpa dot cpl. Second command we learn the services dot msc event bwr dot msc. And also I showed what is mmc. Next disk mgmt dot msc. Now I told comp mgmt dot msc. These are all msc things. This is control panel, cpl control panel. Appwiz dot cpl is another type of control panel only. For this is for network settings. This is for a uninstallation. Programs and features are there, no? This is programs and features. Remember and use it. Okay. This is for services. This is for event management. This is for a disk management and computer management. Okay. This is my computer management thing. Okay, you can get lot of things including disk management, service management, device management, performance management, users management. Oh, unless I click on that one. Okay, now okay, good. User management, like these are the users. The down arrow mark indicates disable. Your administrator name of username is administrator, that is disabled. Your administrator, student one is administrator anyway, but automatically it disable the actual administrator name. No, okay. Like guest accounts also there. The guests don't have any privileges, so they can do browsing and all kind of stuff. They will leave it like that. Shared folders. Here you can see all sharing things like this. Okay. Data one. Why it is showing one here? Client connections. One client is no 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 no. Data one. This is the location path. Actually, data one location folder location. Type is Windows because Windows Linux sharing also there. The client connection says one connection is happened. So client is not open these two things. Number of clients it is showing. Client is not open this folder and this folder and this folder. That's it is showing zero. See share two, data two, share $3, data three. Like this. This is we can know what is the things we shared and how to access. And if you observe C dollar, E dollar, F dollar is also there. It means this is also shared from your PC. Okay. So this is a second PC, right? I'm going to run in a second PC. This is first PC IP address. I'm going to E dollar. So what will happen? Asking for username. So we'll give. So that's why username passwords are very important. No control over it. Okay, access denied is also there. Okay. Now sometimes it will open also because security is protecting your E drive. Maybe you can try for E drive, F drive like that. How many drives you have? You can try. Okay. Okay. This is a task scheduler. Event viewer also there. So this is a comp mgmt.msc will give you multiple options like task scheduler, event viewer, shared file, local users and groups, performance, device management, disk management, and service management also. So we'll stop this thing. Stop. I'm going to stop about sharing folders. Okay, so I given all the information.